Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get the Amazon Delivery Boy number. This can be incredibly useful when you need to coordinate delivery timing or if there's confusion about your package location. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Orders. This section gives you a complete overview of all your recent and past purchases. Although I don't have any active orders right now, I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do next. Once you're on the Orders page, search for the specific order you want to track. You can scroll through your list or use the search filters to narrow down your results. When you've located the order, click on it to open the full order details. On the Order Details page, look for the option that says Track Package or Track Delivery. This button should be clearly visible if your package is currently in transit. Click on it to access the real-time tracking information. This is where things get interesting. On the tracking page, carefully scan for a phone number, a call button, or an option labeled Contact Driver. Amazon sometimes provides this feature directly on the tracking page, allowing you to reach out to the delivery person handling your package. However, if you don't see a phone number or contact option on that page, don't worry, there's another way. Navigate to the Help page by clicking on Help in the footer or searching for it in the top menu. Once you're there, click on Contact Us. This will open a support interface where you can specify your issue. In the provided text box, type Delivery Issue or Missing Package depending on what's relevant to your situation. Follow the prompts that appear on screen, and Amazon's system will guide you through the process of requesting help. This often connects you with customer support, who can then provide the delivery person's contact information or assist you further. And there you have it, a straightforward way to get in touch with your Amazon delivery driver when you need to. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.